Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. I prefer filter coffee than the instant one as this has rich flavor and it smells so good. You can get these on Amazon. I just bought in a smaller version. You get in different sizes too. I always make sure I wash my bedspread and blanket every 20 days once, as if it get dirty, we start breaking out. So I don't want that to happen. So that's the reason I make sure it's clean and neat. I decided to go something with light color, and these two look very similar, but the shades are completely different, and the one is matte, the other one is the gel form. The other day I was just browsing on internet and I saw this beautiful bag. It's a sling bag and I really like the way it looks, and the print also is very pretty. You get black, plain black, and also this type, and they have given this chain where we can attach inside. So that is all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please subscribe and support me, and thank you so much for watching the video.